Hey, what's up? I'm Dave Boyer, aka Mr. Boyer, aka the Swamp Man. I'm on the summit of Stone Mountain in North Carolina, Stone Mountain State Park. Really nice hike to get up here with my daughter Belle. Annabelle, do you want to say hi?
Hi!
She's sitting here playing in one of these pools of water that are on top of the mountain. So it's one of the kind of two distinguishing features up here on the top of Stone Mountain. One of them being that the rock is all rounded, and it's a characteristic of a dome mountain that we'll talk about in mountain formation. But I stopped here because Belle wanted to play in this little pocket of water, one of these cool little pockets of water around the mountain. So these little holes, you can take a look at one.
Bye!
They're not ready to go yet, Belle. So these little holes, they fill up with rainwater, and most of the time, spring, summer, fall's like what it is now, as the water fills up that little pocket, it eventually just kind of gets heated up by the sun's light and evaporates and goes back up into the atmosphere and continues that part of the water cycle. But in the winter, something else goes on. In the winter, as this water sits in here, maybe we've had a relatively warm, rainy day, and the water fills up in these little holes. But then at night, the temperature drops to below 0 degrees Celsius, and water does one of those things that makes it a unique and special molecule. Water's the only molecule that we know of that expands when it freezes. So that water that's sitting in these little rounded out pockets, it starts to get bigger. The molecules spread apart and they form these little crystallized structures. And as they're pushing themselves apart from each other to form ice, they push into the rocks and they can wear the rocks away. And they make these holes bigger and bigger and deeper as they do that. Really cool stuff. It's one of the best places to see this process called ice wedging or happening. It's a type of weathering, but Belle's walking around up here by herself and she's not exactly being safe, so I better leave it there and get on with our day. But just wanted to stop and share that with you and tell you that science rocks. Peace. You gonna say bye now?